Alright, you're welcome here. My name is Governor Isiagu, son of the great Shanamite that lives amongst the angels. Today's court case, I would want you to hear the speech of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Ndi Igbo. But before you hear from him, I've always said this thing. Even last night, I said it on my live streaming. Lately at night. If you are one of those people who lives in the bush, who now stays in the bush, and live a life where you can now lay traps, as a Nigerian soldier. And what are you calling Igbo? Nobody is more Igbo than the other, than others. And if you stays in the bush, I will allow you to hear what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said here. But before you go to the bush and stay, and now see yourself as only unknown gunman, I need you to have a rethink. The Igbos are known for their good conduct and genuine resources, their strength and vision towards business and whatever that will help the Igbo man. That's what the true Igbo man does. So for you to live in the bush and from time to time you jump out the street and went away from Igbo, did you go to verify if that soldier, that policeman, if they are truly Igbos? Because at this point I am too sure, I know it as I know my name, that those from the other side of the country, they don't longer want to serve in Igbo land. So these things you're doing, if I may ask, are you doing the right thing? The last video I made over the night, if you watch it, you hear the story of a brother, Imo State, all because of sticker, and you tagged him to be military before you could even realize that his wife already had 3 kids. The man. Is this the country you really want as a people or as a person? And people are clapping for you. You think you're doing the right thing. You are not a hero. Igbo is zero. Only animals stays in the bush. Nobody's against you agitating for Biafra. Me, I'm a Biafran. My dad was born a Biafran. My mom, the same thing. So I don't know what you want as a person. But I will allow you to watch this video so that you hear it directly from the mouth of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ndi Igbo. Any nation or whatsoever. Not even Nnamdi Kanu sent you on such errand or mission. Please. Meanwhile, let us listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Ndi Igbo.
I want you to understand because IPO was founded on a non-violent principle, and we intend that to continue this very day. And everything, of course, and all these soldiers we are told are also our people. Is that correct? Yes. And the family is now in mourning. Yes. So all the making of young widows is condemned in entirety. I don't want anybody to die. Yes. We are fighting for freedom. Then how can we fight for them at the same time? It's not possible. We want people to be free. That's what we're fighting for. Nothing more. We've suffered a lot in Africa. I don't know if you know that. Africans have suffered. From slavery in Arabia to slavery in Europe to slavery in America. So I think we should focus our time and devote it towards making sure that this continent stands up to what God promised it is going to do. And that's why we're doing what we are doing. Some of you are here today. I hope you cover the entire proceeding. It's not the truncated version, but the whole thing. It's very important that you cover everything.